Hey guys, my name is Tariana. I am an intuitive tarot reader. Today's video is going to be on this pick a card reading on this overall collective spread. I have three piles for you guys. So yeah, just before we get into the next scene, I want to say take about 3 deep breaths and see whichever pile calls to you. And yeah, leave a comment below on which pile did you guys choose, or which pile best resonates with you. And yes, so okay, so if you chose pile 1, here is your reading. The first card that we have is the affirmation card. We have, I love myself. It says, I love and approve of myself. I appreciate all that I do. I am good enough just as I am. I speak up for myself. I ask for what I want. I claim my power. Then we have 4 tarot cards for you guys. We have the 6 of Cups coming out, 2 of Wands in reverse, 7 of Cups upright, and the Hierophant in reverse. I feel like right off the bat that you guys are could be taking a leap in something new, because of with the 6 of Cups. The 6 of Cups reminds me of past energy and things like that. Letting it could be past come back, or letting go of past energies. I feel as if right now you guys are in a space of not really progressing, or just probably fearing the unknown, just afraid of not knowing of how to go about things, or what to do in that space. I feel as if like you should definitely trust your intuition at that time. With the 7 of Cups, the 7 of Cups is telling me that you guys definitely need to freaking focus on the reality of things, and love and nurture yourself, pour into yourself, and focus on yourself. I'm getting a lot of just focus on yourself and not really focus too much on the past. Focus on getting yourself out of this energy. Focus on focus on how we're gonna come back from out of this. I feel like with this Hierophant in reverse, I feel like the advice would be withdraw for loved ones at this time, to focus on yourself, to pour into yourself, to receive this to receive some type of clarity about something. We have speak your world into existence. It says speak your world into being. First quarter moon in Gemini. We also have first quarter moon in Sagittarius. We have believe in yourself. So that tells me that you guys definitely need to, I feel like, yes, you're definitely manifesting something new or whatever you're doing, baby girl. Speaking your world into existence. Believe in your good luck. Believe that good things will come to you. You know, if you manifest from out of good intentions, from your heart and everything, from good intentions, then believe that you will get that. Also, take actions behind that. So that's how I feel about that. That's what I got from that. It said, yeah, speak your world into being. I also want to say, I have this book right here. It's called the Angel's Number book. So with the I don't know why I was called to we have with the 6 of Cups and 7 of Cups. I added it up, it would be 13, the number 13, right? So let's see, we're gonna go to 13. It says hope, and it says the key word in this whole message was hope. It says nurture yourself. Your angels are aware you are going through difficult times. They want you to put your energy into taking care of yourself. It says plant a new seed. It says plant a seed somewhere you can watch it grow. As you nurture this new life, you are nurturing your own as it get acquainted with surroundings. What surrounds you now. So that was all the messages I had for Power 1. Leave a comment down below if this message resonated for you. So welcome Power 2 to your reading. We have your affirmation card is I deserve the best and I accept the best now. It says I am mentally and emotionally equipped to enjoy a prosperous and loving life. It is my birthright to deserve all good and I claim my good. Period. Okay. Came in with the energy. Let me stop. But okay, so with your 4 tarot cards that came out, we have the 9 of Pentacles upright, 5 of Wands upright, Queen of Wands upright, and we also have Ace of Swords upright. So what that's telling me right out the back, I feel like you are in this space of being financially independent, and there's definitely some drama, some rah-rah, some confusion all around you. But baby, trusting your intuition at this time. I understand that you the social, trusting your intuition at this time, and definitely take action towards whatever you're trying to cultivate, whatever you're working on to get that 10, to get to your 10 of Pentacles or whatever. Keep working on that and this and that. Don't focus on the drama and all this. All that stuff is gonna pass by as you keep focusing on the good things. To keep focusing on the good to balance out what's going on in the backgrounds, So that's what it's giving me. But when I looked at this Queen of Wands, you see this Queen of Wands, she's sitting here on her, she's sitting on her throne, social butterfly, whatever. What peeped out to me was this black cat. So when I think of black cats, I instantly think of good luck because that's what black cats symbolize, I feel like. So for me, black cats symbolize good luck. Anytime I see a black cat, girls, good luck. Good luck coming your way and this, that, and the third. So that's what I feel like. I also feel like there's definitely going to be some, with this Ace of Swords at the end, being the last card, I feel like there's definitely going to be some new clarity. Some clarity definitely going to be coming in for you around this time as there is some chaos and some drama and stuff like that. But the main message I feel like I'm supposed to say was definitely don't focus on the mess, drama, and rah-rah. We have Unleash Your Kindest Self, first quarter moon in Capricorn. We also have new moon in Aries. We have Go For It. I don't know why hold on. I'm gonna read out of what that means. First quarter moon in Capricorn. Maybe there's a message in there for you. Let me see. We have it says, are you being too hard on yourself or someone else? Do you think you need to be strict with yourself or other people to get where you want to go? It says your challenge now is to discipline in terms of doing what needs to be done, what you want, without sucking all the joy out of it. It says feeling good about life is one most powerful tools you have when it comes to manifesting. So be kind and be your most charming self, period. So, so Power 2, that was the end of your reading. Let me know in the comment below if this reading resonated with you. So Power 3, welcome to your reading. This is your affirmation card. We have, my life works beautifully. Everything in my life works now and forevermore. It says everything in my life works now and forevermore. So, okay, that's giving me some good energy right off the back. We have we have the Knight of Cups in reverse, 10 of Pentacles in reverse, the Strength card upright, and we also have 4 of Wands upright. So, right off the back, I feel like you definitely came from a space of having this financial loss because you probably have set this unrealistic expectation in the past, and But your spirit guides want to remind you that you are strong. Like, you are strong. You have the willpower. You see how she's taming this lion here? And she has this infinity sound above her head. Like, you are strong. You're incredible. Like, sometimes life does bring us some obstacles and we may feel like we cannot get out of it. But I definitely feel like you definitely do have the strength to tap in to get yourself out of this space and this and that. As you sit here, let things go, and as, learn from those past expectations and set new ones. That's what I feel like. I feel like you would definitely be in the space of celebrating yourself and just overall satisfaction. Like, everything's just gonna start working out, like, boom. So we have full moon in Pisces, we have forgive, we have new moon in Cancer, and we also have relax. This is like emotional energy. This is giving me like definitely just go with the flow of things and stuff like that. Like, take time to nurture and point to yourself, sis. Guy, I don't know who this message resonate with. That's just how I speak, y'all. So yes, that's crazy. That was quick. That was really quick for round two. Let me get a let me read out the book for y'all. 222. Okay. I was gonna say, what angel number should I get, right? And I looked up on the dot. It was 222. So I'm gonna just get that for y'all. Let me see. We have, it says, the overall key message was trust fall. It says, your angels ask you to trust your place in life right now. You are in the right place at the right time. Take a look around and enjoy the moment. Everything is where it's supposed to be. So, yeah. Thank you, Power 3, for listening to this message. If this message resonates for you, go ahead and leave a comment below. And yes, thank you guys for taking your time out for watching this video. If you enjoyed this pick a card spread with me, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know in the comments below what power resonates for you. And yes, so enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Peace and blessings until next time, okay?